delicious. Whee! Guys, let's eat candy. Eee!
Now do you forgive me?
Gumdrops. Wow. Candy oil. Ooh, delicious. Good. Yummy. What the world? Gumball? Wow. Look at that. A hiccup. Wow. Again. Careful, meow. Don't again. Now we're gonna do. Cuphead and mugman, I don't got a report. Maybe we can make any. Wow.
Oh, Bob, you took those words right out of my mouth. We should probably go
for cream. Maybe we.
before the Baroness shows up.
I
After all, I broke rule number 1, and you're breaking rule number 2.